Hi guys, welcome to the VET Classroom. In this video we are working from the C2 Core Maths textbook by Pearson. We are busy with the working examples of Chapter 1, Exercise 1b, Questions 1, G and H, dividing polynomials with their factors. So first of all we start off with number G and we rewrite it in long division method. So it will be x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 4. And we want to divide it by x minus 2. Right, so we remember when we're going up, we ignore the minus 2. It's only going down that we don't ignore the minus 2. So x cubed divided by x is x squared. Then we take x squared times x is x to the power of 3. X squared times negative 2 is minus 2x squared. Then we need to subtract this whole thing, and before we subtract we need to change both of their signs. Okay, so we say x3 minus x3 is 0 and 5x squared plus 2x squared is minus 3x squared. We are bringing down that plus 8x to here, and we are going to say minus 3x squared divided by x gives us minus 3x. Minus 3x times x is minus 3x squared. Minus 3x times 2 is plus 6x. Then we want to subtract again, so we need to change the signs. Okay, we've got minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is 0. Plus 8x minus 6x is plus 2x. That negative 4 from the top comes down to there. And we are going to say 2x divided by x is 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And when we need to subtract them, we need to change the signs. Plus 2x minus 2x is 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So we know that x minus 2 is indeed a factor of this polynomial, and the top part is referred to as the quotient. It is important to know the terminology. Right, your polynomial at the bottom is going to be equal your quotient times your factor when you do the inverse operation or the opposite. Okay, moving on to number H. Check 3, 2, 1, so we can just use it as is. X to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 8x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. Right, x to the power of 3 divided by x is x squared. X squared minus x is x to the power of 3. X squared minus 1 is minus x squared. We want to subtract them, so we're going to change the signs of both of these terms, and then we subtract x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 is 0. Minus 3x squared plus x squared is minus 2x squared. We bring down that plus 8x to the bottom here, and we say minus 2x squared divided by x gives us minus 2x. Going down, don't forget to, you can't ignore the negative 1 anymore, so minus 2x times x is minus 2x squared. Minus 2x times 1 is plus 2x. We want to subtract, so we are going to change the signs. And then we've got minus 2x squared plus 2x squared is 0. 8x minus 2x is 6x. Finally, we bring down the negative 6. 6x divided by x is 6. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. We want to subtract them, so we change the signs. And 6x minus 6x is 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So we can confidently say that x minus 1 is indeed a factor of this polynomial and x squared minus 2x plus 6 is the quotient. That concludes exercise 1b, question 1, G and H.